Hey everybody, today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC for sale. I'm going to do a quick video walk around tour, show you some of the features of the vehicle, and if you're interested in learning more, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So the GLE 350 has a black exterior with a black interior. We've got heated and ventilated memory seats, as well as the premium Burmester sound system, upgraded surround sound speaker package. Nice leather seats, sunroof. Also have a heated steering wheel here. And mileage currently 24,720. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Do have a push button ignition. Also notice this dark wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle, as well as the ambient lighting throughout the vehicle. And that's all fully customizable within our menu system, which you can see our touchscreen display here currently showing navigation and backup camera and radio here. And then to change that ambient lighting, it's here within your comfort settings. So this is where you can change any seat comfort settings you'd like, as well as ambient lighting. There's all kinds of different zones you can set up, multicolor animation, different effects such as climate. So for example, that when you press colder temperature, it'll flash blue, and then when you do a hotter temperature, it'll flash red. Okay, so touchscreen display, so of course you can use the touchscreen itself. You also have controls right here on the steering wheel, and you also have a touchpad right here on your center command console. Here on the console, you also have your dynamic select switch. This is how you can switch between different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. You also have access to your parking cameras, vehicle settings, and then some quick access to navigation, radio, and telephone. Last but not least, our shifter. All right, go ahead and hop out, show you the rear seats, and a few other things. So once again, the nice wood grain accent trim here. Rear seats. Another look up at that sunroof. And quick peek back up front. And then coming around to the back, we have our GLE 350 Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space. Of course, you can always flip down those rear seats as well. And push button to close. So once again, this is the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC in a black exterior with a black interior. If you're interested in learning more, even setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.